Hello, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Ace1 here again. So today I have another review from The Ordinary. This time I'm talking about The Ordinary Niacinamide powder. This is 100% pure niacinamide powder. Is it good? Is it not? Is it so-so? Let's find out. So I got The Ordinary Niacinamide powder from their website, and this is so affordable. I think it was about 7 or 8 euros. Okay, it depends on where you find yourself. Now this is a 20 gram. It sounds so small, but it's so much. Now when I went to the site, I didn't realize from the reviews that people were complaining about the expiry date. Now this, I realized, does not last so long, since it does not have any chemicals, any additives to it, and it's pure 100% niacinamide. Its shelf life is very, very short. So this basically has a very short lifespan. So 20 grams is okay. I don't even think you are going to finish using this before it expires, because a little bit goes a long way. So let's talk about what it does and what it's good for. Okay, so niacinamide is a kind of a vitamin B3, yeah, which is used in soaps, face washes, okay, and even skin creams, okay. So this is the information. Now, I must say, as compared to the vitamin C that I got from The Ordinary, this powder, as you can see, is very, very smooth. It's like talcum powder. The vitamin C is a little bit grainy. It looks like, sugar grains. But this is so smooth, like talcum powder. So it makes using very, very easy. As you can see, it came with a scoop, this little spoon over here. And this is how you use it. They tell you to mix a quarter scoop of the spoon provided with a water-based treatment in the palm of your hand and apply it to the face in the morning and in the evening. Wash your hands after handling. Do not mix with formulas with a pH of 5 or lower, which is something acidic, yeah? Detailed mixing instruction available in the production website. Okay. Obviously, they tell you if irritation occurs, you should stop using it and consult a doctor. So what was my opinion with niacinamide? Niacinamide, if found in a product, be it a soap or a cream, is very, very hydrating. Yes, it's kind of trapped in the moisture in your skin. So if you have very dehydrated skin, if your skin is dry, if it's broken skin, especially during the winter, niacinamide is one product you need in your skincare. I have been using this since August, and we are in November, and I still have a lot left. Okay, I still have a lot left. So 20 grams, even though it sounds so small or tiny, weeny, teeny, it goes a very long way. Since it has a very short, shelf life, I don't like to buy it in bulk. I just buy one when I need it, and when I run out of it, I buy another one, because it's almost always readily available on their website. And this is how I use it. I just take a little bit of my facial cream or skin cream, and I put this powder, just a scoop or half a scoop, mix it in my palm. As you can see, it's so easy to mix. And I put it on my body, on my face, or any part I want at all. And if you use this, you are going to see improvements within the week, that your face or wherever you put on retains moisture the more. I love to use this when we get to the cold seasons, because as you know, during the winters, your skin is usually drier, and it needs more moisture in your skin to keep it fresh, succulent, and nice to touch and beautiful to look at. So this is it. Do I like it? Would I buy it again? well, I will definitely buy it again, but I'll only buy it during the winter because it helps maintain, the moisture in my skin, and I love that about it. The downside is that it has a very, very short lifespan, and I doubt if I can finish using this before it expires. And unfortunately, I will have to throw it out if it has expired. This is the only downside. Apart from that, I love it. It did not break me out. It did not burn me out. It did not, give me irritations after using it for so long. I didn't feel any irritations. Just follow the rules and don't mix it with a pH of, 5 or lower, which is obviously something acidic. So you have to keep that in mind, and you have to, be careful of quantity. Whenever you're using a chemical, be careful of percentage and quantity. You always have to start low. If you're making a serum or if you're mixing up with your cream, use, tiny weeny quantities to see how your skin reacts to it. Honestly, everybody's skin is different. It could be okay for me, but you are going to use it and you might get irritations. Everybody is different, so I cannot speak for everybody. I'm just speaking for myself. And this is what I think about the ordinary 100% niacinamide. I have made a serum out of it. I have mixed this with my washing, shower gel, and I like the results, honestly. It helps, gets rid of blemishes. It's, just in the general, it improves your skin tone. It improves the texture of your skin. I did buy this because I had used the ordinary niacinamide and zinc serum mixture, and I loved this. So this encouraged me to get the pure niacinamide powder to try in my, concoctions for my skin and for my face and my body in general. So that is it. It's a good product. It's very affordable, very, very effective if it is used well. Keep that in mind. You have to use it well and follow instructions, or else you are going to irritate your skin. So this is my honest opinion about the ordinary 100% niacinamide powder. A cool product to have in your skincare regime. Okay, so that is it. Have you used this before? Are you thinking of buying it? If you've used it, did you like it? Didn't you like it? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that beautiful big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.